Cha-cha. No, Butcher, the wrong move that.
That me there pay for right now. That's why I'm saying I want a retaliation right now.
Whatever's what you're saying, Butcher. But we still can't make people feel like them can come just run in from we think like where some kind of mango tree and whatnot. You know. Plus, when this brother find out say you're still up, he might want to come finish the job.
I saw you in the king, man. So look, my friend, I'm not proud of that, bro.
Now say that, bro. You they just want to make sure say you can and go.
More than that in the king, man. The plan to get out it is. Me go around the place. Can't believe me didn't want to get rid of my friend for power and status. Well, king man, sometimes I feel like I better me did.
Butcher. No bother with that. No bother say what me think you have to say.
Now I turn I like king. I feel shame, brother. I feel shame. Movement and the action towards my friend. The man, they always have my back.
So, what gonna do make him decide to move to you?
Just gonna kill my friend. Gonna do it, king.
You see, hear what you say? And you see that right there, sir? And your redemption. No man no perfect, brother. You realize your mistake and you level up.
The man when I plan for go against king, man. Let me save my life. Right now, this is heavy for my heart, brother.
You remember what did happen with Itis and Godmother?
Remember that, man.
You remember how him did rise against her wicked? And if he did get the chance, he would have take her out. I'll need to get involved.
I'm never happy about that, you know, king. Because I tell her, he's a man I read from longer time.
Exactly. It is do what him think him did have to do because he want to run the block. But look and we know.
Everything good again.
No. Everything great again. And I don't hold no grudges against it.
I overs that, king. But differently, I don't want him to know nothing about this thing. I'm ready for show this.
Don't worry yourself. I respect that.
Need some time to get my mates together, man. Is it? And all a big man talk with the G them.
Just know, say, you have to go make that talk there quick. Because the man in the plan for just sit down and make this go say, you know.
I'll make the talk, the king. Because I don't want them to top a block because of this. Vengeance is mine, said the Lord. Romans 12, verse 19.
It also in a Deuteronomy 32, verse 35. I see you have to cut the good book.
Yeah, the king. Feel a different energy from my wake up and system is still there. So let's go and work with the feeling, you know?
I'm proud of the movements, brother. A backside. Sorry, me forget, man.
PF make me know say me there, man. That's how I got king, you know?
I like how you dealing it. So tell me, so what going on with the baby girl? Because me say she there, I look for you, but from there, I don't see her. What going on?
She passed through, man.
which I pass through. They've done no man. That's how you know that girl there. You know, I'm a hopeful girl. You see me, so you see, I'm one lesson learning at the local situation, you see
Yeah,
me?
man, I hate that.
Oh, I'm going on ranking.
Yeah, man.
How was the trip?
You know, me always like keep my foot on the ground, you know. I only travel because I have to.
So like it wasn't such a good trip, man.
I wouldn't say so, you know. I put it this way. It was a concerning one.
What really going?
One of the projects them have to start because of the deportation issue, isn't it?
What? Workers?
Basically, you know, they don't know say 60% of the labor force are immigrants.
So why your next move?
That me I try to figure out, you know. And the other company them a play hardball, brother.
What them a do? Double up the prices?
Yes, them a say we should have employed the native them from day one.
Native. It's funny how them throw around that word there. Like them figures said them are not native neither.
And so the mind of the delusional people them working a bridging.
I know. But differently still, know you soon figure out something.
Definitely. Can't make that piece of money to go down the drain. Have to find a new company though.
Or just find some reliable youths. That way there, you don't have to go through no company.
Reliable youths. That not easy to find, brother. And furthermore, me no want have to deal with no one man. I want to deal with a company where I deal with them workers. You understand?
But you know, come to think of it, I know a youth in a way in a station and in the construction thing, you know.
So, where them come from? Are them people in the two want deal with the Caribbean people, them, you know?
He's a German man. Used to link with him when I did it back in the day, you see?
Alright. Make the link then, no? Because I can't to afford for that program to stall too long. You understand? And we have some investors right now who are planning to spend a nice piece of food.